Follow it with the side step with the left leg and bend both your knees, raising your left hand. Move both your knees to the left away from the man, then take a side step to the right, switching places with your partner. Let's now focus on the man's perspective. During the opening, shift your body weight slightly more to the right, creating a counterbalance for the lady. It's like you're drawing a bow, generating tension in your arms between the two of you, and then with the side step with the left leg, release the tension, pulling to each other, taking 2 steps behind the lady, ending up on her opposite side. Place your right hand on her waist. Lady is bending both her knees again, leading them to the right and shifting her body weight slightly out of balance. Man creates a counterbalance, shifting his body weight to the left. So again, you're building the tension, release, take 2 steps behind the lady, place your right hand on her waist and shift your body weight away from her. Again, generating some tension like you're drawing a bow, and release, leading the lady to your left side. Embrace the lady, ending up with your both hands around her waist. Keep your left knee slightly bent, keep most of your body weight on your left leg. Lady is ending up standing on the right leg, then bending the right knee and reaching with the left leg as far as possible. Man is standing on the left leg, bending the left knee and leading right leg to the right side, sliding it away from himself. Both partners should keep their feet pointed, sliding the big toe on the dance floor. Open your hip to keep your ankle directed to the dance floor. The lower you go in this pose, the more spectacular it's going to look, but make sure to adjust it to your capabilities. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,